Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trade items on Grow a Garden. So here you're just going to, well, I think you can only, oh, here it is. You can just select accept here. And then that's how you can basically trade. Oh, okay, he's just giving me stuff. So you can just give pets here to the person you want to trade with, like that. And that's pretty much how you can now trade on Grow a Garden. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!